Well, we got some packages today. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back everybody to an unboxing and unbagging video today. Today we have a two-part order from Navy Outdoors. And I believe they're armynavyoutdoors.com. Feel free to check them out. They have a variety of items on their website. So let's go ahead and get to it. I just ordered a couple items to help with the wardrobe. So let's get you out of the way. Thank you. And the prices were right on sale at the time. So prices may vary. But again, check them out, armynavyoutdoors.com. So, if I understand which is which, let's try to open this carefully with some scissors today. Today's scissors are brought to you by Goody. They were purchased a long time ago. They're alright. Not sure where they're made. It's just a stainless steel. And they were hard to clean for some reason because of the finish. That's why they have a bit of a stain on them. Alright, so item that I ordered, first item that I ordered, let's get this a little bit out. Let's put it on the floor. Give some shadows. I'm just using light through the window. Let's try to smooth out some of these. So, scooch it. Oh, look at that manifest. This helps. Alright, so that's out. There we go. We have a military issue M65 field jacket, 3-color desert. Size length, large, regular, and it's in a bag, taped up. Really well. So well that I don't think I can reuse the bag. I don't need to reuse the tape, so let's see how sturdy the bag is here. Here's what's elbows the camera. Alright, we're back. We're back! Do it live. Live on camera. So again, 3-color desert M65. I guess we're going to look at the back first real quick. The fluff. That is a stain of some sort that just spread. I don't hold a tissue that can absorb that real quick. Yes, I do. I just happen to have one handy. Oh, now we gone done it. Now we're gonna have to get a eraser block on there. Huh. Well, that's a bummer. Not sure where that came from. Let's see. Velcro on the cuff. Show the flap there. Button on the inside for a liner to come down and attach. So does that mean no liner? I'm assuming so. Alright, so we got the high collar, zipper hood, which I already feel. There it is. It's all beige. Oh. Has a 3-color hem. Well, it's 3-color. Cool. Let's shove that all the way back down where it should be. Alright, so got snaps. See the large plasticized zipper already. It doesn't go all the way down. The snaps do go all the way down though. We got drawstring at the bottom, recessed drawstring on the internal, so we have the overlap. And let's bring the zipper down with a very large zipper pull. Nice. Okay, here's our label. And this is used, looks like. Got some numbers. So, a little bit of stain adds to the authenticity. Nice. Height. I'm a big boy. Care instructions. No liner. Just the weather windproof liner. Drawstring here. Matching one there. Yes, we do. We do have the buttons for the liner to button on. It's fun. Always buy the liner. They're readily available from a number of vendors. Maybe even them. So, let's see. We got the Velcro to seal the collar. Again, we have the hood. No Velcro on the sleeves. Pockets are snap, single snap. Ballooning on the outer edge, but not the inners. And we do have lower pockets. No ballooning. They're flush. Internal. I don't see any hidden pockets. And on the back, again, we took a look at that earlier. We do have the drawstring area. Reinforced square panel otherwise, and shoulders button on the play area. And then we had the Velcro cuffs and the kind of mitten flap. Alright, let's get this out of the way, and part 2 is a box. Let's get this open real quick. Alright, we're gonna have some boxception here. Packing slip. Interesting. Okay, so what happened was this came from 2 different sources. First came from Army Navy Outdoors. Let's see if I can get this into camera view here. Army Navy Outdoors, established 1972. And then part 2 of my order actually came from Original Footwear. So what we got from them are some Altamas. Maritime Assault Mid, Coyote, Ombre Natural, drainage vents, airport, slip resistant, 11W, or UK 10, Euro 44, Ohm large, UPC code. They even put an international sizing chart on the back. Oh, this came right from Original Footwear. Nice. Altama.com, made in Cambodia. Wow. Okay, whatever. Altama, they're in back since 1969. Alright, let's see what they look like. Ooh. Sporty. Basically combat sneakers. Some nice soles. think I'll wear them to work, but then when I actually get to work, I'm going to switch to my cold weather boots that I got from a different unboxing. Feel free to check that out. Pre-laced. Very nice. Other side. Oh my god, they did it exactly the way I do. Wow, kudos to them. That's exactly the style I do it. Thank you. Original Footwear Company. And these were actually ordered through armynavyoutdoors.com. It's cool that they got it right from the source and not from another sub-vendor. So you can see the style there. Altama's on the soles. Research. Very nice. I think I can try these on. In fact, I will. Take the stuffing. It's soon to be future target material. Okay, my big feet. Glad I ordered wide because they fit very nice. Right. So, Altamas, how are they actually listed as? Let's do some packing slips here. Altama, Maritime Mid-Men's Coyote GSA. Also listed as the Maritime Assault Mid-Boot Coyote. Product information available on Altama.com as well as Original Footwear. And then all these came in an order from Army and Navy Outdoors. There's a 3-color desert and 65. So feel free to check all that out. Feel free to check out our other unboxing, unbagging videos. We got to do both today. We also do more specific show and tell videos, as well as curios for the curious and more artsy objects, as well as book and media reviews. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.